I picked up this DecalGirl kit, Slave 1. It's for the DJI Mini SE. I think it was like under 25 bucks, $22 or something. I got it off iStyles, but it says DecalGirl when they ship it on the stickers. Not too bad putting it on. Get a lot of pieces. Covers pretty much the whole thing, and the controller. I'll show you that in a minute. But we'll get her up, see how she flies. It is a little windy. There's some pretty good gusts. Hopefully they come along. We'll try her out. Here's the controller. I don't even know why they bother with that. Who cares? But hey, now the sun's coming out. Yeah, that has a pretty good look to it. Better than just plain. I covered up the DJI emblems too. You can leave them open. So far, it's pretty cool. Alright, let's fly it. Alright, let's get her up.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
A little windy out here. She does pretty good in the wind though too. See, the video will be really stable. Flying right along, fighting that wind. No problem. This wrap is pretty neat. These fly just fine with it on there. I didn't add all that much weight. I'll just bring her down.
Landing.
Here she comes. Cool. All right, land. Works really good. So it comes in gloss or matte. This is gloss. And it's pretty shiny. Pretty cool, everything fits in this little case. Got that off Amazon. Got stuff up here. I don't know. It was cheap. Get the propeller bands and the guards. You don't have to take the joysticks off. Nice little case, just carry it around. You know, it's not even hardly any bigger than your hand. All right, see you guys.